Hello, my dear students. How are you all? Hope you are fine at home and doing really well at home. So today we are going to do our English work. So please take out the English book that is hands-on English. So in English we are doing use of dictionary. So in use of dictionary we have discussed about the words arranged in the alphabetical order. So what is the alphabetical order? That is A, B, C till Z. Okay, so when we are arranging these letters in this particular manner, in this arrangement, then it is known as alphabetical order. It is known as alphabetical order. So what is the meaning of dictionary? A dictionary is a book that contains a list of words in alphabetical order with their meanings explained by the means of a single word or a phrase. So after that, we did page number 6. We have done writing a letter, writing a word, starting with the same letter. You can see the letters written in the front. That is A, B, C in the alphabetical order. So this is the alphabetical order A, B, C. So I have written axe, ball, car, dog. So very good. You have done your work. But the rest one, please complete your work and send me your work. Now we are going to do page number 7. So please take out your books and pencil. Please, everyone, take out your books and pencil and start doing work with me. Okay, now you're going to concentrate on the screen and listen to me very carefully and complete the work with me. Okay, so use of dictionary module to arrange these names in a dictionary order. So you can see peacock, crow, sparrow, and duck. So starting with A. So there is no A, there is no B, then C. Yes, crow. So you're going to trace crow. Then C, D, duck. So duck, you're going to trace duck. Then D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P. Yes, then peacock will come. Then P, Q, R, S. Then sparrow will come. Similarly, after tracing this, we are going to do module 3. So starting with the name of the vehicles, scooter, car, jeep and bicycle. So starting with B, bicycle. So you're going to write B, I, C, Y, C, L, E. Bicycle. Then car, C, A, R. Car. C A R, car. Then C D E F G H I J, jeep. J, jeep. Then P J J I J K L M N O P Q R S, scooter. S, scooter. So, what is the dictionary order? When we are arranging our words in an alphabetical order and we see just first word, just first letter of the word, just the first letter of the word, and we have to say A, B, C, and then we have to see which word is starting with A. Is there any word with A? No. Then B, yes, bicycle. Then C, yes, car. D, no. E, F, no. G, H, no. I, no. J, yes, jeep. Similarly, you're going to arrange the module B, that is module 3, and module 2. So, crow, duck, peacock, sparrow. Crow, duck, peacock, sparrow. All these are the names of birds. All these are the name of birds, and peacock is a national bird. Peacock is a national bird. Then we have the name of vehicles: scooter, car, jeep, bicycle. Scooter, car, jeep, bicycle. So in this way, you're going to do module 3 and module 2. After completing your work till module 3, what you're going to do? You're going to color first 3 stars. You're going to color first three stars. Star 1, 2 and 3 of Unit 1, use of dictionary. So, what is the dictionary order? A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. So all these letters in this particular arrangement is known as alphabetical order. So you have done page number 6. You have written the words starting with A, B, C in a dictionary order, in an alphabetical order. So after that, we did use of dictionary module 2 today. So crow, C will come first, D, duck will come next, then peacock will come next, P, and then S, sparrow will come next. Then bicycle, first B, C, car, J, jeep, and S, scooter. So you're going to do your work, and now it's time for your diaries. So please take out your diaries, everyone, and mention the date. After mentioning your date, you're going to write work in English column. Do page number 7. Do page number 7. So do complete and practice more in your notebook. You can write any 5 names of your toy, or you can write any 5 names of the animals. For example, elephant, dog, fox, and then arrange them in the dictionary order. Write any 5 names of animals and then arrange them in a dictionary order. Getting this point, this is your practice work, and module 2 and module 3 on page number 7 is your homework. So do complete your work. In next class, we are going to learn something new. Till then, stay healthy and stay happy. Bye.